Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about the wonders of weather, and we are going to go over our e-learning module and go over the materials that you will need for this lesson and how to submit your work. So the first thing that I want you to do is I want you to go outside and I want you to look at the weather. I want you to think about, what is your favorite type of weather? Do you like when it's raining? Do you like when it is storming? Do you like when it's sunny and bright outside? Do you like when it's snowing? My favorite type of weather is the sun. Like, I love when it's sunny outside. My favorite thing to do is to go to the beach. So I want you to draw a picture of your favorite type of weather. So for example, if I like to go to the beach and sit out in the sunshine, I may have a drawing of the ocean. I may have a drawing of people playing outside, the sun. So I want you to be very detailed in your drawings and draw your favorite type of weather. Next, we're going to go over the materials that are going to be needed for this lesson. So the materials that you will need is a thermometer, a science journal, so some kind of notebook, and a rain gauge. And what you're going to do is you're going to find a safe place for your thermometer and for your rain gauge. And I want you to leave them outside so that you can measure the temperature and the rain. So for the first week of our activity, the first thing that you're going to do every single day, day 1 through 5, is you're going to go outside, make sure you have an adult with you, and you're going to observe the weather. I want you to think, is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it storming? And in your journal, you're going to draw a picture of the weather. Next, you're going to find your thermometer and look for the red line, and you're going to record the number that the red line reaches. So if you look at the example on the right side of the screen, this thermometer is reading 80 degrees outside. After you record your temperature, I want you to look at your rain gauge. Now, our rain gauge, we're going to measure the rain in inches, and that's something that we'll learn a little bit later, but I want you guys just to kind of get used to looking at the numbers and being able to determine how much rain you received. So you're going to look at your rain gauge. So if you look at the picture on the left side of the screen, it looks like we have about 2.5 inches of rain. And I want you to record how much rain you received for that day. If you didn't get any rain, you can just put the number 0. And this is going to be our weather strips that we're going to use for the week. So what we're going to do is on Monday, you wrote down, remember yesterday or that day, you wrote down in your journal what the weather was like. So for Monday, if it was sunny outside, you're going to draw a big, pretty picture of the yellow sun. Let's say Tuesday it was cloudy. You could draw pictures of the cloud. And so you're going to record your weather all the way from Monday to Friday. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to write 2 to 3 sentences about the weather for each day. So when you come back inside and you go to add your weather to your weather strip, or add the type of weather to your weather strip, I want you to write 2 or 3 sentences about the weather. So all of the work that we will be doing is going to be, we're going to use Canvas, our online learning platform, and all of the assignments for the week are going to be inserted as a Kami document. So you'll be able to submit all of your work electronically.